Today I will show you 3 simple steps that you can take to fix your credit. Let's go. The first step to start fixing your credit will be to request a copy of all 3 credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. First, understand that credit report, it is unique to every single person, and that every single account that you target, it will be different. Your credit report timeline will depend on many factors, such as the severity of the accounts, how many accounts do you have, your goals, and the actual impact on your credit report. When it comes to fixing your credit, you have to first identify errors, and through identifying errors and inaccuracies, you will be able to gather a lot of more information that could be useful when disputing the negative information that might be affecting your report or credit score. When disputing negative information, I highly recommend do not download a template online. This will prolong the process because you're sending a template that has been sent before, and it is a generic template. Patience is key. You must allow credit bureaus to work, as well as for them to process all the documents that it needs to be processed. Make sure that you follow along, make sure that you read all the documents that they send, and if there's something that does not match your records, make sure to support your case, providing more information, supporting the case to better assist that account that you are disputing. Remember, while some companies might offer quick fixes, and this might be what you want to hear, credit report, it is a detailed and personalized process. It takes time, effort, and diligence, but improving your credit score is possible. Stay informed, stay persistent, and you'll be reaching your goals.